सौ आदमी घेर के रखा है मेसी को, सब नेता भी नेता लोग। हम लोग को क्यों बुलाया? ये देखिए टिकट 10 आदमी लोग, क्या करने आएंगे हम लोग? पब्लिक मतलब बेवकूफ है बंगाल में, एक शक्ल नहीं देख पाया उनका हम लोग। सब नेता लोग घोर के रखा है उसको पूरा
एकदम घटिया इवेंट। 10 मिनट के लिए आया, सारे नेता मंत्री कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसर सब उनको घेर लिए, कुछ नहीं देख पाए, ना एक किक आउट करवाया ना एक पेनल्टी लिया, कुछ नहीं किया। शाहरुख खान को भी लाना का बोला था, कुछ नहीं लाया, 10 मिनट के लिए आया चला गया, पूरा फ्रॉड करके चला गया। इतना लोगों का पैसा, इमोशन, टाइम सब बर्बाद।
10 मिनट भी नहीं था सही से, बाहर सब लोग देख रहे हैं, मतलब अंदर से हम लोग कुछ नहीं देख पा रहे हैं। ये एक फ्रॉड के अलावा और कुछ नहीं कह सकते हम लोग।
बहुत घटिया था वो, दिखाया था बुके में पहले से शूटा हुआ, कुछ भी नहीं था, पूरा शिट था, बहुत घटिया, बहुत खराब, बहुत कुछ भी नहीं देख पाया, पूरा स्कैम था, पूरा स्कैम, पूरा वेस्ट टाइम का वेस्ट था, पूरा मनी भी वेस्ट था, पूरा सब कुछ वेस्ट।
मैनेजमेंट बहुत बुरा था, बहुत बुरा था। मैनेजमेंट एकदम बकवास था। इतना पैसा खर्च करके लोग दूर दूर से आए हैं और ये हम लोगों को देखने को मिला।
Actually, we have given so much money for this event, and the most important thing is that Messi has come for this event. And what message we have given to the Messi, this government, this like sports minister. I am seeing the sports minister is clicking selfie with Messi, and everyone is trying to manage the people. But for these people, the engagement is happening into the ground. And what message you have given to the Messi? What message he has been taken to from the India? This is the main thing from the Calcutta. Nothing has been happened. Shah Rukh Khan hasn't came. I don't know about Shah Rukh Khan as the chief minister. These are all dignitaries, but it's very shameful for the absolute event management, and I would say the government as well. I would say
we are being joined by certain fans who are not happy with the way they have been treated in the stadium. What happened? So सुबह से खड़े हुए हैं, the management did nothing. They gathered around Messi, and any visitor was able to see Messi properly. Not seen Messi. No, I'm not seen. I have paid almost 12,000. More than 13,000 I have paid to see Messi. But the crowd, see the crowd, saw them. Everyone is disappointed.
How long Messi was in the ground? For how long?
For almost 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
How much money did you give? 10,000. 10,000.
Yes, I paid 13,000 almost. I paid 13,000.
You are saying after paying 33,000, you have not got.
No. I haven't seen Messi.
I have paid more than 20,000. I haven't seen a bit.
Here you see the people, the fans who are not very happy with the administration. They are basically saying that they have paid thousands of rupees. They were asked to pay in advance, but now they have not got to see Messi at all. So this is the current situation in the entire stadium.
Well, it seems that the opposition in the state of West Bengal has got this opportunity to take on the state government and also on the organizers of this very event as far